Wondering how long it's going to take to sell your house? Here's one thing that can have an impact on your timeline. Right now, the number of homes for sale is growing. The green on the graph shows not all the growth is from new listings or homeowners who just put their homes for sale. It also that some homes are sitting on the market longer. Those are the active listings in blue. Think of it like this. Imagine the homes on the market are like loaves of bread for sale in bakery. When fresh bread is put out, that's what everyone wants to buy. But an older, stale loaf, not as many people are going to be interested in that, right? The same truth goes for homes for sale. Buyers are going to be drawn to the newest listings first. So we want to be sure your home is priced and staged to sell up front so that it doesn't look like it's sitting for a long time. And I can help you with that. I know how to build a strategy so that your house is set up so quickly even as inventory grows. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs with my team. Give me a call for a seller's consultation. Let's see what we can do. 773-550-4846, and don't forget to follow us.